Ako di ay si Marivic Hilab, lead social worker diri sa Everlasting Hope. Actually, I am a lead social worker. I'm not the founder, but the hearts of our founder is really to cater children with cancer. As to the history of our founder is a nurse from America, Christina Anderson, which she came to the Philippines way back 2008, and in that period until she discovered, because she visiting Islam, she visiting children, and she discovered that there are children who are in need of medical help. In her discernment, she came up to a conclusion, or she came up to answer the calling, the burden of caring these children, to bring them to near hospital to have treatment. Like cancer, one of the impact she made in this journey is Brian, a 10-year-old boy who suffered osteosarcoma, cancer of the bones, which no one to help by. So her heart answered this call. That's why came to build this foundation or this institution to cater children with cancer. Our really vision is to aspire, to make a way of many children suffering cancer, makabaton sila o kanang medical treatment na kabalo naman ka financially drained yun ang journey. You have a cancer patients, yeah. So doon ay proper medical treatment, emotional and spiritual, nga masiguro nila nga gi-care sila. And to have this vision and action is amo gyud nga mission nga committed gyud mi nga to enhance the life of these children. No? Bisan kaliwa sa ilang kalisod, apan adunay institution nga committed ang tabang o mo journey nila with compassionate care through Jesus Christ. Actually, at the beginning, our founder considered also other serious illnesses. But along the way, as we have license with the SWD, we focus now on children with cancer. Because our facility is not that big to cater other illnesses, to know that cancer is very vulnerable. So we just focus now on cancer. Programs and services is shelter, temporary shelter, because we welcome children who are diagnosed with cancer from the Region 7, like Cebu Province, Central Visayas, and there are also other islands like Bohol, Samar, Leyte, and now in Mindanao. Aside from shelter, we also have psychosocial care, like or emotional and spiritual, because this institution, Everlasting Hope, is a faith-based institution. So we bring them hope, because the journey is so tireless, is so tired, no? So we have strength through Christ. So emotional and spiritual, and families and children who come here, they don't only just ask for help like shelter, but we give them hope, and we give them community to journey with them. Na they are not alone. Aside from psychosocial care, we have also medical assistance. Not that much, because we don't promise them to shoulder financial help. But as a social worker, it's our job to assess and to have help like immediate crisis, like they need blood, they need chemo meds. We don't promise them all. Limited lang ang funds. No, and we have also community outreach. Like every month, our children, we have sponsors to celebrate with them in their birthday. Because we don't know if there will be this last month. Next month, they will come. No? So, it's our way of giving them special day with their birthday. So, all celebrants of like month of April, month of May, we gather them together and there's a sponsor to give them birthday parties. So, sa ginagmay nga pamaagi, makatapang kay libre man sila tanan sa shelter. Ila ang stay, ila ang bugas, ang ilahan na lang pangitaon, ilang panudan. Kay every child, lain-lain man o kanana ang protocol sa ila ang food, no? So, muna ang family mo ay mag-prepare ilang mama. So, libre sila magluto. Libre ang gas, tubig, electricity, and stay. And we make them comfortable sila sa yun nga struggle is financial, number one. And biggest struggle is hopelessness. No? But through everlasting hope, as our name says, everlasting hope, we give them hope. Na they are not alone in their journey. We have a community who journey with them. They are not alone. So, in some way, everlasting hope is an answered prayer for them. Because they said, asa naman may paingon? After na-diagnose silang anak with cancer, asa may paingon? Asa may moadto? No? And then, everlasting hope is the answer. I'm going 2 years now in this ministry. It's really hard. No, it's really hard when you get to know the child, and then sooner or later she will pass away. No, so the first I had is like the child that impacted me so much is like Grisami. She's suffering leukemia, and she passes this year, last February. And she's a very lively child, very alive, very energetic. And then she just finished the treatment, and then it relapsed. And then the doctors said it is palliative. But we keep on hoping and hoping, and then suddenly she just passed away. So it's hard, but we keep on going, because there are a lot of children still needs our care. The partnership and collaborator is very, very important to continue this, because this institution is not owned by one person, because we believe this is a ministry God founded to help care this kind of children. So, not me, but all of us as a community of hope, as a community of believers, because we believe that touch one child, one family, create a community of hope. It was an answered prayer for us, or answered prayers for our parents and families and patients, because we believe you are part. No, it's not a coincidence, but it is a planned purpose. No, a planned purpose. So it is very important. It really helps, like I said, in our programs and services. No, your help, it helps a lot to continue to give these services, transportation, our food, our electricity bill, our nutritional health, nutritional like milk, like vitamins for children, because they need it. Like after chemo, they were so tired, they cannot even like to eat, so they have their milk, they have their vitamins to sustain them. Partnership is very important, that this must go on. No? It will not be stopped because you do not have the funds. It must go on because it is a ministry of God. And you share this. You share this mission. You share this helping process. You share this caring process. So without you, I don't know. Last message that I want to share with the family of our children is be alive in hope, be warm and courageous to hope, and be assured that you are not journeying alone. Everlasting Hope Community is here to journey with you. And with God's help, with Christ's presence, with Christ's compassion, we go on in this mission. All partners and collaborators, sharers of this mission, we are the feet, the hands, the heart of Christ to continue this ministry. Thank you.